Legend Landscape, and today is Wednesday, July 25th. Good old hump day. It's cloudy, it's dark a little bit, it's starting to lighten up here, but I got my spotlight on just in case you can't see me. And it's 5:55 in the morning, and I'm heading to the shop. They are calling for rain today. I saw on the weather that it was probably going to come maybe midday to afternoon. Saw on the radar though that it may even be coming like before noon. So we shall see how that turns out. Let me adjust my mount there. But I got the guys working today. I said we're going to give it a go. I know they've been sitting there waiting for the past 2 days. You know, after Monday where they got rained out in 30 minutes. So I know how it is. You know, you got bills to pay, so you're just eager to work. So we're going to try to give it a go. Going to go back to the shopping center and then property next door. Continue doing details, weeding. I know there were some branches I saw that needed to be pruned back from the storm, so we're going to take care of those as well and look for any more things like that. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going to happen today. Yesterday while I was doing estimates, and pretty much, you know, my video was showing you that, you know, it's raining, whatever, you should be able to create revenue, do estimates on the job site, send them out an email. I got an email from the Sheraton that we did work for earlier this summer. We did a summer cleanup, and I presented a proposal for them for maintenance, saying you guys need this. You know, they don't ever have anybody taking care of their property. May have some staff taking care of some things, but they just get some sprucing up when there's a visitor coming from corporate or something, and then the rest of the time they're not even really caring, from what I've seen from last year to this year. So I said, you guys need maintenance, and I kept following up, and then they said they wanted one, you know, to try to, you know, for July to the end of the year, and I also, you know, gave one for next year as well. Well, the manager responded yesterday to say they were just waiting to hear back from corporate to get approval, so they wanted me to adjust it from July, since it was already past that point now, to August and to the end of the year. So I was able to do that right then and there, like right then and there. You know, adjusted my proposal, sent it right back, got the signed contract in less than an hour, and it was all she wrote. You know, so I keep trying to say, keep proposing, keep trying to generate and create revenue for your business, man. It's not that hard. You know, you just present something to someone. I mean, man, they may not answer, but you never know until you keep trying. So just a little FYI on that. All right, guys, I'm almost at the shop here, so I'll get back with you in a little bit. Who knows what further footage I will get today. I'm just glad to get the guys back to working, so we shall see. So catch you guys in a little bit. You know? Yeah, man, the guys are happy to be out here working, man. It's cloudy, but rain's not coming until a little later, so gonna get as much work as we can get done before it comes. You know? Hey guys, as I was mentioning yesterday, during these storms, you'll find out there's some damaged branches. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's two hanging ones there. They're actually in the middle of this drive-through, and you know, something to go ahead and take care of, and you know, things like that, you know, are probably throughout the properties. So I'm going to take a look at some more of the properties to see if I find any more. But things like this, you know, you get it done, you know, it's just outside of the maintenance contract. So this type of thing, you know, you would just have to bill for. So you know, bill for your time of taking care of it, and you know, and then also note it, take pictures, document it, so you can show what you did as well as what you want to do. So, all right, about to have at it. You know. Hey guys, yeah, we're over here at the commercial property over here in Rockville, and you know, the rain's supposed to be coming soon. It's looking real cloudy in the distance here, but the guys, like I said, are glad to be back at work, and got them weeding right now, just doing whatever we can before this rain lets loose. Some part of the sky I see is light gray, some part of the sky I see is dark gray, and I don't know if you can see in the distance there. And so I'm gonna check the radar here, because I do believe that this is coming soon. But nevertheless, I mean, hey, you know, it's 8:55 now. I've been out here for 2 hours working, so we got a couple hours in and hoping to get a couple more. So all right, about to get back out here and help these guys. All right, guys. See ya. You know. This is how you pull weeds when you, I guess, you live on the rich side of town. That is not how you pull weeds. I waited for a number of times to see how long that was going to last, and then I had to correct it. But you should never have anybody weeding your beds like they're sitting back at the beach, laying there, sitting down, about to have a picnic and all that. Oh my goodness. Anyway, do not pull weeds that way. Ever. Don't ever think you'll come to Legend Landscape pulling weeds that way. You can do it anywhere else, but not here. You know? guys doing some leaf removal here. Pretty much as you can see back here. Trying to keep the guys together. Been a bit of a thing to try to keep them together, man. I've been saying, like, you gotta work side by side. Even when I was blowing, guys are just kind of missing the point. Just, you know, moving away from each other. One guy over there, one guy over here. And I'm like, it's defeating the purpose. And I've had to say this a number of times now. It's kind of getting on my nerves. You don't want to be a dick and keep trying to tell somebody to keep doing the same thing over again, but hell. I guess you get to kind of see after a while when you keep telling somebody what to do, like over and over again, where their mentality is. And you get to see in different parts of landscape maintenance where some people are good at some things and some people are good at the others. All right, guys, we'll see how this goes. Hey, guys. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. What can I say about today? Yeah, I was feeling all types of ways today, man. It's raining right now. As soon as I left the shop, just left the shop, and it's raining. And part of the sky is gray and part of the sky is sunny. And that's how I feel. Partly cloudy and partly sunny right now because I was glad, I was feeling sunny about getting work done today after having so many rain days. And I was feeling a little cloudy about the things I had to deal with today. Mixed emotions, that's all I can say. I know a lot of the times you're out here talking about the good stuff and trying to be entertaining or, you know, just trying to be positive. But like I said, there are things that are stressful and you have bad days too. So I'm never going to sugarcoat anything. When things aren't going right, or you know, I'm dealing with no shows and things like that, and people full of crap, you know, I let it be known. This is not going to be a channel where I'm just always going to be la 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 la. Everything is great. Everything is great. La 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 la. It's not going to happen, because I'm going to tell you, if I was feeling all the way upset, I'd let you know that too. But I don't know, man. I just wasn't liking what I was seeing some of the days, and making my mind up about some things. I'm just going over some things in my head about what I've been seeing, and you know, I voiced my concerns throughout the day. I said things I kept repeating. Feeling good about work, and then I started getting let down about some work that's being done and some common sense things that I'm seeing. Like, I don't know, man. I'm trying to watch what I'm trying to say here, but just it was getting on my nerves to see I had to say the same thing over again, and then afterwards being some part of the work, and then say it again. We need to be together. We need to work together. Since we left about 12:30 from the job. It is
4:30 right now. I stopped at a place to pick up some parts. I went back to the shop. I was just taking my time doing that, answering emails, phone calls. I was kind of staying at the shop for a couple of hours, and then things were just weighing down on me about what I saw today. And some of the things that I've seen here and there for the past couple of weeks, and I think I mentioned it before and said I'm going to keep my eye out on how some things that I saw going, and then I started seeing it again today. I see guys on their phone, standing around, laying down in beds, full of leaves, watching these guys burn. I'm bad enough listening to what I'm saying about staying with me. I'm staying low, and I just kept not listening. I just said, okay. You know, these things that I'm saying, I know that I've had these conversations right there with them. So me saying this to you guys, it's not like, oh, they're not seeing this. I'm sure they see whatever I'm talking about. I don't care. I'll say it again in their face. I'm just frustrated, man. Really frustrated. I'm like let down. I told you, I praise people. Really praise them. I talk to anybody that's done, you know, good work. He's already done this. I usually be in a good mood and and all that crap, but right now I'm up in here, you know, like I'm not feeling it right now, man. I'm just feeling like I gotta make some decisions, or somebody's gonna have to start stepping up to the plate. I don't know. If he's saying these things and things will backfire on me, I don't even care. I just know what my business needs and how it needs to run efficient. And if you're not like doing things to make it run efficient, posting, bullshitting, those things, that's all I'm gonna say. I didn't like what I saw. Half the time I had, half the time I don't like that. I don't feel all the way. I'm looking for consistency. I'm not looking for somebody being great at one thing and then you're just being lazy and the rest of the stuff watching other people work. I'm not liking it. So I'm just gonna cut this. You know I've been talking for about 7-8 minutes here, I don't know. So I'm gonna cut this short and just hope for a better day tomorrow, and I'm gonna think about some things.